During the pandemic, it's clear people are just tired, fed up of being cooped up, and are craving the great outdoors. RV sales are through the roof, and motorcycle sales are up about 20%. That's a sweet ride right there. Fox 40 auto expert Mike Caudill has a look at how to find new adventures on two wheels.
I'm here in Greenville, South Carolina at the BMW US Rider Academy, where sales of motorcycles like this, the BMW GSR 1250, are looking at sales north of 20% increase year over year.
For many, riding a motorcycle is purely meant for fun, a getaway, that feeling of open air and freedom. During the coronavirus pandemic, that has never been more true, and the motorcycle industry is seeing a resurgence in not just sales, but new riders and old riders looking to get better at riding and off-road as well. According to the Motorcycle Industry Council, sales of off-road motorcycles as a whole are up nearly 50%, and dual sport motorcycles, meaning those that go on and off-road, are up nearly 20%.
So the question is why? Why are consumers looking to ride more with motorcycles? Well, it's because of vehicles like this. This is the BMW GSR 1250, and what's great is it allows you to take long trips on the street, but also allows you with knobby tires like this to get off-road.
The increase in off-road sales is a result of bikes that not just do well off-road, but they can get you to that trailhead as well. At the BMW US Rider Academy, they train new and veteran riders on a BMW GS, which stands for Geländesport, or on and off-road. It's a big bike with great suspension clearance and has plenty of power for highway speed, but geared to allow you to traverse any mountain. This training is all about becoming a better rider, and the program accomplishes this very well. They teach you how to stand on your bike and to better yet, throttle control the motorcycle as well. By the time you get to the end of training, I was rolling over rocks, fording my way through water, and riding over large logs. Although the average number of falls during the program is roughly 10, I took pride only dumping the bike twice. It is a testament to the durability of the BMW GS.
Well, guys, even in the midst of the coronavirus pandemic, you can still find ways to have some fun, and as you can see, I'm covered in sweat. The course here at the BMW US Rider Academy is both tiring and mentally challenging. But after a full day out on the track, let me tell you, I learned a lot, and I guarantee I'm a much better motorcyclist.
For Fox 40, I'm Mike Caudill.
Beautiful scene.